Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be this default one, and let's tap on this 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter bookmarks and history, and tap on history here. And as you can see, okay, no thanks. And as you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list of all previously visited websites. So if you want to, you can just tap on it and hold it. And right now you will be able to mark the ones which you would like to remove manually. So you can, for example, tap on both of them, or of course select all and tap on delete. And as you can see, they will immediately disappear. But if you want to, you can simply tap on clear, and this is the option which will simply remove all of everything from the history. So just tap on clear, and as you can see, the history is empty, so you do not have to do it manually. Everything will be done automatically, and it means that everything has been removed successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.